If you are in this kind of subject, specialized hard rock, on this channel you can find a few more videos about exactly the same model I restored before, exactly the same hard rock, like a small size, but with V-brake brakes, similar painting scheme. And I restored also specialized hard rock in black version of this bike, bigger than this one in the frame size. And I restored specialized hard rock with chrome molybdenum frame. So if you're particularly in this model, you can go into the links down below and they direct you to this video on this channel, and you can have a look how they looks like in before, and you can feel how they looks like after. Yep, happy cycling. Hello and welcome everybody, and in today's episode on our workbench as a guest we have specialized Hardrock in completely ruined state. As you can see, there is no part in this bike which one don't need to be refurbished, adjusted, restored or replaced. This is medium size with 26-inch wheels, with Shimano mostly equipment, front and rear disc brake, 3-speed at the front, 8 at the back. It's just horrible condition. I'm gonna be working soon on this bike. As you can see, absolutely horrible. I even don't know where to start it at the beginning. But luckily for me, I've got donor bike. Which one is here? Nothing crazy, but have handlebar grips, tires, inner tubes, and most of the parts which one of they are required here. So yeah, as you can see, condition is not funny at all. Repairing this bike in bicycle service is beyond any financial sense. You can bring this bike to life only when you added your own labor and time. Even pedals, they are not from this bike, they are from kind of vintage bike, shopper, Riley. Yep. So you see guys, in what condition bikes they come to me, and how they look when I finished. Please like and subscribe my channel. That one helps me a lot. I cannot compete with all those commercial and semi-professional channels which run all around the YouTube. I try to edit my parts to save the planet and not using the Russian oil, just cycling on the affordable bikes. You can support the channel if you like to via Buy Me a Coffee. The link is in the description below. Stay tuned. I'll try to show you this bike when it's done in a couple weeks time. But at the moment, thank you very much and happy cycling.